Todd is coming right back, but for right now, I'm going to just share with you my entire screen so you can see what's going on. We have one loss. We started on the 16th, so we started last Thursday. I guess we didn't trade over the weekend. I don't know what today is. Today is today possibly Monday? That's so weird. I believe we just traded I can't even remember. I think we just traded, and Todd's not here, but so I think I don't think we traded on Friday. So it's 10:20. We're on one loss, so we're going to be doing a makeup trade. Our makeup trade is on a martingale. We're on a 6-deep martingale. 43.65 is what it's going to be. 43.65. I'm trying to get. I lost my thing. I cannot believe that. Okay, 43.65 is going to be our trade. And when he gets back, I'm going to start looking at charts. I went ahead and went live. 43.65. So, 43.65. That's what we're going to do. 43.65 is our trade. We can only have one loss a night. We are down only, $19 for a total of 1 trades. We've had 0 winning trades. Our win rate is 0, but we just started, so that's okay. All right, let's get into these charts. I've been trading early in my session. I've been trading early. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Want to try to get into pocket option here. Hopefully, I'm logged in. It's gonna be. I think it's gonna be a good night. I think we can win a trade or two. We just kind of gotta get moving forward. Here's the thing. My computer's kind of. Oh no. Yeah, see, I'm not even logged in. I've got to go figure out what my password is. So I'll be right back. Yeah, you can stay right here. Actually, I'll wait for him to get back. I don't know why it keeps logging me out, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna see if I can text my wife. Maybe she'll just tell it to me. I don't know my password, to be honest with you, because I was trading on my phone all the time, and I decided if I keep doing this, it's stupid. So I shut my crap off, and then
What
I
now?
get.
Are we live?
Yeah, we're already live. So, dude,
we're already live.
I'm trying to find my password to log in. Why don't you talk to him? I was just rambling and realizing I'm not even logged in at Pocket Option. And I don't know my password, so I got to go get my password.
How did that happen?
Well,
All right.
I had my wife reset it, and she picked a password. I don't know it.
All right. So I'll just tell everybody a joke. Okay.
Yeah, tell him. I'll be
Do you
right back.
trust the? Do you trust this? I don't know about that. Let me turn the chat on here real quick because see if anybody I know is in there. As of now, it doesn't appear that anyone has left any chat messages, but if you're new to the Day Trader Dudes YouTube channel or wherever you're watching, Eric kind of controls that. So I don't know if we're on Twitch, if we're on just YouTube. Excuse me. I don't know what else we're on. But either way, if you want to leave us a chat, ask us questions, whatever, we're here to help. I'm going to set up my screen a little better. I'm in my studio here, and while he's looking for things, I'm going to go over and see what's going on my. Why does this look so messed up? I am on my. I'm on my. What do I have
All right.
to?
I got my password now. It's
Okay, I was going to say it's not like you lose a password.
Well, that's because I never knew it. Like I said, I told it to my wife, and I said, "Here, don't give me this," because I kept trading online. I kept trading on my phone, and so it was really bad, dude. I was like, dude, I'm trading on my phone all the time.
You hopefully had that encrypted when you typed it in.
What's that?
Well, because you just typed it in. I watched it on the screen. as you
No, I
type
didn't
your
type it in.
Did you put your password in on because it was up on the screen when you put
Yeah,
your
I know.
password.
I didn't know. That was just my emails. My password's 1234 134. So
Mm-hmm.
just in case anybody wants to know.
In case
Well,
anybody wants to log in
yeah,
to an empty account.
yeah. Password is 221212 121212 butthole. My password is 1212 butt. All right. So anyway, by the way, keep it family friendly. I don't want to have to go delete episodes because of stupid crap you say.
Hey, that's the first time and every time we've been live that you've ever had to do that, and only because and in all fairness,
It's only because
it was relatively. I mean, have you seen? That's the internet, dude. This is the internet. Have you seen? Just even scrolling through reels when your kids are around is like,
I know it was family friendly. It wasn't like
I did not use
unfamily.
profanity. I didn't.
You just revealed secrets that I don't want out.
Yes, correct.
So unless
you're
watching
ashamed of your lifestyle.
All right, Mister. Just keep
you
your own
life.
It wasn't just that. You said something at the very end that was even worse than anything.
Yeah, I talked about a very natural process.
Which I heard somebody say that exact same thing, literally what you said on a sitcom the other day. So I mean, it's not like it's that unfriendly.
I was not. No, I wouldn't say anything on here that I would not say at the table in front of my own kids. Now, I mean, that would be talking over their heads. That's particular,
maybe, but your kids know a lot, dude. Remember?
Okay, some of them would know, some of them wouldn't. Hannah would know. The others, definitely Michael would not know.
He'd be like, "Google Gaga, what?"
I don't know.
All right, let's get. I'm looking at charts because
I am too. I'm looking at charts. Actually, whoa, what was that I was just looking at? That was actually.
They're kind of stuck. That's going down. I'm marking some.
I was looking at a. Okay, go to Oddcat. I'm not taking a trade on this, but I want you to see.
Everything appears to be really high and just sitting still.
Yeah, do you see Oddcat?
Yeah.
At the close of this candle, I'm going to see if that goes red. I think it will because of the level. I'm just seeing if it's obeying levels. You see, there's a level back.
I mean, I see a level there.
Yeah, right. Exactly where you just marked it.
It wasn't even an RSI touch, though. I mean, there's levels all over the place.
But when you look at it historically, the RSI has been touching in the middle, and that kind of has been.
This is all over the freaking place.
For this chart, the middle has been the RSI touch.
No, it touched boom, boom.
Look at the RSI. When it hits in the middle, that's where it falls. You see that?
Well, it does there and there, but up here, it's fully touched the line.
But
here, it's fully.
I just wanted to see if it would do what I
fully touched the line. It is obeying the RSI line. Every time it's hit the line, it's pulled back. So
this candle has 10 seconds left.
This candle is not anywhere near a trade, dude. This is all over the map.
No, I just wanted to see. I'm just looking at what things.
Oh, like doing. What it would have done.
Yeah, I would have lost it. Yeah, I just wanted to see. I'm just looking at what things are doing here.
In fact, on this chart,
okay. Now here's one that's kind of look at odd CHF. There was no RSI touch, and so although it hit a level, but again, this one was not safe because there was multiple levels. There was a big level at the bottom, and then there was a little level.
I mean, it must have touched. It didn't touch though. It didn't look like it didn't touch yet. Yeah, it hadn't touched yet.
No, and the RSI didn't touch either. So
you know what I think Oddcat though? I think Oddcat is going to touch an RSI when it gets up here, and I think that's a strong enough level.
Yeah, I do see that. That's a massive green candle there. Okay, right. So I've got 43.65. Just so I have my numbers right.
I think
43.65. Yeah.
This one right here could do an RSI touch.
This is doing kind of what I look for. It's jetting up there. What level?
I've drawn two lines on there. There's a level that basically that big candle back there. Yeah, that big green wick right here. I don't know if you're looking at your screen or mine, but that big green wick back there. That
Mhm.
one right there is a level, and there's also a level a little below that it's at right now. But I think it's going to break through there. It hasn't touched yet. It probably will touch up here if it does.
Yeah, but
I don't know.
if
This chart's not like amazing, but if it has an RSI touch at that top level,
well, it's
then
kind of already relieving, which would kind of shoot this down for me if it does that, because I don't take these. It kind of has to go in a row before I would trust it.
well, I mean, it's kind of go. Yeah, that's fine. It's going up. It's got a lower level line. Yeah, I think this is in a trend. I think this is going up.
If it took a break there, then I would only trust it once it gets way up to the top there.
Yeah, I mean, it would have to go. Right now, it would have to go all the way to the other one in RSI touch. Like
I'm
it's
talking
not
the
there yet.
big one. What, like
Like way
right
back here.
there? There you go. Yep.
Well, no, because there's a giant level right here. Took a break here. Yeah, because it could break above there.
Yeah, I think if it's going
That's a
anywhere,
pretty strong level there and there.
'cause
But then again, it's like in there and there. No, this is this. Oh, and there. It's kind of at a strong level
I
right
think
now.
the only place I would trust this, because of how many little micro levels there are, is way up at that top. That's where I would trust it. If I was going to trust it anywhere, it'd be up there.
Well, I mean, it's up to you.
It's up there a little ways, but look at it. It's cranking. It could
I
get
mean,
there.
it is in an uptrend.
Yeah.
It's going up right now. It's I think it's gonna. This one's stupid. Let me look. I'm marked that level.
Okay.
This one
Yeah, mark a timer on that, or a alarm.
I did. There's another one that
BHD CNY.
no, I haven't looked at that one.
That one's kind of. It's not my.
Um,
I'm just skimming through it. Let me know if you see anything that looks like it's.
yeah,
Yeah.
Euro USD. Well, Euro USD is kind of RSI touching right now on kind of a high. It's kind of a mixed level. It hasn't. They're not lined up really that good. It's RSI touching. Oh, that's 10 minute candles. Sorry.
Look at USD BD. No, I don't like the levels of it, but USD BDT. It's an RSI touch, but there's no clear level as to what it's touching. I mean, I see a little micro level back
There's
there.
a level right there. Yeah, I mean, but there's a bunch of levels up and down. That
it's also probably just gonna. Yeah, I don't think it's not showing that it's hitting anything that I would like.
No, it's kind of flat in the RSI.
Yeah.
The RSI is kind of flat. This could go either way.
It's not.
Obviously, it didn't steadily climb up. We don't have a lot of steady climbers right now.
Right.
Is there a lot of steady climbers? No. You're saying you want it to steadily climb up and then
well, with some kind of level of force, really. Okay.
This one's just really stuck.
USD BRL. That's kind of like, but here's my concern with this one. The levels that it's kind of hitting these bottoms of these wicks, and it's kind of already there, but there's no RSI touch. It just doesn't meet the criteria.
Not yet. It doesn't yet, but
now you could mark out some alarms on some of these.
This one doesn't really have a clear. Let me see. Yeah, this one's just going up. This could flip flop anywhere. It's been at the bottom of a really strong 10-minute levels.
What's that?
So it hasn't really.
That was kind of this could like fall massively, but I don't. I mean, it's USD IDR. It's like a massive engulfing candle. It's nothing that it's not in my what I'm looking for, but I'm just wondering if that's going to come all the way back down or keep going up. I was just kind of wondering what it's going to do, because it's
going to keep going up.
It's already spent in terms of
It's
But
going
the
up to
next
this
nearest
next
level
level.
is way back there.
The next level in the 10-minute is right here. That's actually a pretty big 10-minute level up there. It's in 10 minutes. I'm not sure how close it looks. Yeah, it would have to. Well, it would have to get
Well,
way
there's
up there.
USD MYR. USD MYR. Look at this. It's an RSI touch. And
USD MYR.
MY.
What are all these charts? I've never even heard of any of these, dude.
Me neither. Not till tonight. But look at what it's doing. But it just had a green candle. So I'm not sure that I would, because the RSI is flat. It's not just an immediate touch.
Mm-mm. It's gonna go down further. The mess that it's reaching for is down there a little ways.
Yeah.
I think you could wait for this though. Yeah, like this one right here. There's some levels that it's going down. I mean, it's sitting on a pretty decent level, but not like a major level. I think.
Hey, Alejandro, how you doing, buddy?
I think it could go further. Yeah, this one doesn't have. This one's gonna break through.
Oh yeah.
This one's gonna break through, but it might turn around when it gets down there, but it'll be so spent. It's not really an
Yeah,
RSI
because the
touch.
RSI is it's already touched.
Oh, USD DR. Okay, hold on. Oh crap! Go back to USD IDR. Oh crap, dude. That's the one. Oh my gosh, USD IDR. Get ready to take a put on that sucker.
Hold on, USD
IDR.
Oh, I see it.
So that black line that I marked is where it's going.
Is it hitting now?
No, not yet. Not yet. It's going almost.
So when it hits it, I can't see the lines. So at the end of this candle,
to take a put for a minute. Oh yeah, if it hits it, then you could probably take a 1 minute.
When it's
right now it's hitting it. Yeah, that's a massive level in the 10-minute. This would be a turnaround right here.
So when this candle closes, you want me to take a 1 minute?
I mean, if you think so, I don't know, man. It climbed up there, but
well, what's it hitting? Show me in your. Oh, so it did hit that massive level.
Hit that massive level. That's a 10-minute level. Look at this. Look at that.
Okay.
That's what it is. It's right there. Look how big it is.
You think it's gonna break it, or you want me to? You've got 10 seconds.
I think if it ends, take a put. You know.
All right, we're gonna take a put on it.
I mean, I'd like to take it when it goes up there, but it's up there, so it kind of already hit there. Yeah, there you go. It's
okay. We're gonna go for a relief candle right here. We're gonna see if it's gonna relieve or is it gonna break through. This is gonna be the moment of truth. If it relieves, we win. If it don't, we don't.
That's a pretty big freaking.
But that's a pretty big level. So now the RSI is kind of out of play here because it was already broken through.
Yeah.
It wasn't really.
That's fine. It already broke through. It doesn't look good, but it could. What do we got? A minute?
Look at it in 10 seconds.
I'm just not used to watching these
10
little
seconds.
Short
this
trades.
looks like. Yeah, there we go. In 10 seconds.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna just tank. You know what I mean?
Are you in 10-second mode?
Yeah, I am now.
Because I'm watching it in 10 seconds, and in 10 seconds,
it looks like
everything looks pretty good.
Unless it hits the bottom of this little wick here and then shoots back up, this is the last 10-second candle. Oh no, we got it. So I'm gonna look at it in one. Yeah, that was it, dude. That was the relief candle.
Boom. Yes.
Oh crap.
Man, okay.
I'm so freaking nervous about this stuff. Hold on, I got to do something here real quick. My computer's been kind of acting slow. I don't know. My internet is just like really stupid slow right now, and we're losing time. But we have to play this. Dang, we got one relief candle on that. I mean, that was like the perfect.
Yeah. And that's why I say these 1 minute, but you got to wait till the close of the candle and take that because that's all you get sometimes 1 minute of relief. That's it.
That was a big relief candle. I mean, we know it touched that line and it relieved.
Yeah.
It might do it again, and I think this will go down from here because this is a massive level.
Now? To recalculate, now that I'm at 1913.60, so recalculate the next trade. You're recalculating after every win, right?
Yeah, that's a win, and then I have to go to this chart, and I have to do so complete. So that was a win. So our next trade is 1957. That's what level we're at. 1957. All right, guys. Remember, you can get our charts when you get in the Music City Trader Tribe. Click the link in the description or just go to daytraderdudes.com. Daytraderdudes.com. Let's see if I can go there. Daytraderdudes.com. What happens when I go there? I don't
That's
know. I
D
built some.
with a D. That's day with a D. Not with the.
Okay. Look how slow my computer is going. It's like maybe it'll go to that website.
Not the
later.
7th letter of the alphabet. I had to count.
Okay, so this is going down. This is a total turnaround. I think, but we don't. It doesn't matter because we got our win.
That's what I'm saying. And now we're back at trade 1. I mean, this is nice. Every win counts.
Well, we're not.
What is that?
Trade 1.
What is that you're looking at?
Well, this one is sort of.
What is it?
It's USD MYR. I just been marking levels and watching. Oh, Euro USD hit a level. Okay, Euro USD, dude. Look at that one. That one's another one that we said we wanted it to go all the way up to that other level.
Oh, yeah. And the RSI is touching right now.
But that was 10-minute candles. Those were 10-minute candles.
I'm looking at one. This is a big RSI one? Touch. USD, Euro USD.
Euro USD. Yeah.
You want to take it?
No, I mean no, because it's trying to go higher, and that's way bad. That's a way bad pullback. It's not hasn't hit a level. It did RSI touch, but the level that it's gunning for is higher.
It's higher.
Yeah.
Well, there is a level if you go way back. It's kind
of. Well, I'm looking at 10 minutes and see it's going for this level up here or this level up here.
Yeah.
If anything, I would take like a 5-minute call. I mean, we're not going to do that, but this reached up to there. I mean, it did sort of reach a level.
I will say that we would be well into the money right now if I had taken that.
I don't. Oh yeah. Because it
this
turned
would
around
be
really
a
hard.
big win for us.
But that was such a fast. By the time I looked at it, it had drawn down so far. That wick was
that's
terrifying.
what was telling me that next candle's probably going red.
That big fat wick.
I mean, won this massively. Yeah. Oh, massively would have won this.
No, it still didn't look like it still wasn't sitting.
There wasn't. Okay, the criteria that it did not meet was that there was no level.
There was no really strong level, and to me, it looks like the level is high. It looks like it's going. So that wick could have just been a quick wick, and then boom, because see, it's going.
The RSI went from the 70 line all the way back down to the 50.
Yeah.
In this one candle.
That's kind of volatile. I mean, it needs to climb a little bit better. That's not even really a turnaround. That's kind of a jerk around. I mean, that's just like not. It's probably going to go back up still. I'm going to try to find something better. I've set some levels. Oh my gosh, dude. Dang.
What are you looking at?
OddCAD. I mean, OddCAD just broke through really high. Oh, it went up. It broke some serious levels, but now it's sitting at.
Oh wow, yeah, that massive.
There's not really. That is kind of a good level. Not really though. Actually, it's already at it.
Okay.
There's in 10 minutes. There's so many levels. It's really hard to tell. But that was a big. The RSI is so blown.
Look at odds CHF.
Sometimes the odds CHF.
Do you see this candle that it's on? I mean, we're late to the party, and like I say, this wouldn't match my criteria because the RSI is at the 50, but it's hitting kind of a level. I feel like
it's hitting a level, but it's not really. Those levels are all over the place. This could
go all the way down. This could go.
Yeah, these levels are. There's so many of them.
Okay, mark out the lower level.
Down here. If it hits that level,
that's the level I'm talking about. Yeah.
If it hits that level, then you might be into something because it's got a level here. But it's gone. Problem with this level to me, it's gone way under it, way over it, way through it, way above it. I mean, it's
that's true.
It's a middle ground. It really isn't a bottom. The bottom's way down there. Maybe down here.
Yeah.
We can mark this out if it gets down that far.
If it goes all the way down there with a bunch of red candles and doesn't relieve at all during that time, I bet you it's going to pull back when it hits it.
I marked it right here, so if it gets down here, we'll be able to watch it. But that one to me, it looks a little bit too.
Zoom in a little bit so I can see where your mark is.
It's way right. It's right here. I marked a
Oh, that's
alert.
way down there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's gonna have to go way down here because these levels are all inconsistent. All these, they're all
That's
different. Look,
true. Yeah,
they're
you're
all
right.
over the place. Boom, 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 boom. The levels everywhere. The only one that's really super consistent is this one right here because it stopped here and there and there. That's your level right here. That's it.
Yeah.
So if it gets down, and it's only 79% too.
Oh, okay. Never mind that then.
Okay, USD MYR is actually getting down to a low bottom, a really low bottom. Okay,
Okay, but it's
it's
kind of like
getting
consolidating.
right. It might
It's
be.
weird. Yeah, that's not at all in a climb at all. It's
Yeah, I
just
didn't realize in the 1
been
minute it's kind of
zigzagging on the.
consolidating. But that level down there is, oh man, holy crap. Here's some of the problems with tonight is
USD IDR. Look at that. Look at that. USD IDR.
I haven't talked to. Oh yeah, whoa, freak.
Okay.
Well,
Mark
this is a
that out.
massive level. That's a okay. That's a
Mark that
massive
out
level, like right
because
there. Probably like right around here.
right there is what I think. Yeah, because that's pretty solid.
Here and here. If it goes there and it has any somewhat of an RSI, it's probably just whenever the RSI touches on a big candle, and it's close. This one's close. You just keep looking at that. I'm gonna look at it in 10. Okay.
Is it hitting now or is it not hitting? No.
No, it's
Down
just
low
not.
It's not at the top of those wicks right there, right?
It needs to get down to. It needs to
zoom
get down
in
to
on
here.
your screen so I can see a little bit. Okay, it's below those wicks. Okay.
It needs to get down here somewhere. You know, like right here, below these wicks.
It's kind of hitting the tops of those wicks and kind of resisting there. So
yeah,
it's kind of it's kind of flattened out on the 50 RSI line. So it kind
that makes sense. If it breaks through here though, that's dangerous because this is a.
Yeah, it was looking kind of promising until now.
Well, if it starts going down and the RSI touches down at the bottom of those candles, then it's possible. I'm going to mark it. I'll mark
USD MXN. Look at that. Well, kind of just busted past the level, but the RSI is just now touching. But it kind of zoomed past the level, so
hold on.
I don't trust that.
That level is no. There's a pretty strong level down here in the 10-minute. If it goes down, yeah.
You think I should take a pullback candle here?
Maybe.
All at the end of this, it's touching like right now at this candle is where the RSI is going to touch.
I don't know.
Like about 4 seconds.
I don't know. This is
if you don't trust it, let's don't take it.
The level is sort of out of the pocket. I mean, there's not really a level.
Sort of too late now, and this
sort of in between. Yeah, I think this is going to go down.
I don't feel like it's a solid level. I mean,
the only thing is it maybe we'll return to. It broke that pretty strong level, so it might return to it. You know, like retrace like it's doing. Yeah, that would have that might have given me that. So far, we'd be winning. Yeah, this one might have been a good one because it broke that level, touched the RSI, and then it headed back up. But we'll see because I think its gut is feeling is it wants to go down. It broke. See, we would lose. Yeah. See, I think it's going to go down further.
Oh,
this would be really scary right here. Oh,
yeah.
Okay, so it's going to go down and touch again. It's got a long way to go.
Is there a strong?
This would be ball breaking. Oh, that would have lost. Yeah. Okay. So there's another level down here.
Where at?
I drew it on my screen, but it's right down here. I'll show you when it.
Oh, okay.
It's the real level. It's
what did we win our first trade on? What chart was that?
I forget. Hold on, because this is going down there. It might relieve here soon. Hold on.
Where? Okay, tell me.
I'm trying to find it now. I lost it because I started scrolling. It's at a level almost right here. See, this is a pretty strong level. If it gets down to like right here, it's going to be at the top of those wicks. Let me look at it in one, and I'll give you a better read on it. It's got a ways to go.
It's probably going to have a relief candle before then, so I don't know.
It would have to jump way down there.
Candle, so
don't take anything right now.
Yeah, I'm not.
It's got to get to the next level. It's got to get down to
it's still pushing though. It just pushed pretty hard.
Yeah, I think it's going to push down. Just let's watch this one a minute. Don't go looking everywhere. Watch this one because.
Oh, I see. Okay, so that you're talking about that solid green line there?
The solid green line is really a black line. It's really a big black line down there. which means it's like a 10-minute level. It's the top of a bunch of 10-minute candles. So I think it's going to go down there. Now, it might take another 3 or 4 minutes for it to, but I'm going to just keep, I can set an alarm on it because if it
It's
goes
also
down there.
already pulled back. This was the pullback candle. So,
no, but it isn't at its level yet. It's not at the level it wants to be at yet.
No, but
it's the pullback candle for, yeah. Well, because it's trying to retrace is what it's trying to do. It's trying to retrace. Yeah, that's a big pullback.
Yeah. Oh,
In a way,
wow. Look at GBP USD real quick. Look at it right now. Look at it right now. So
it's at 50%.
Payout?
GBP USD?
Yeah.
It's at 54.
Oh, I got 92. But
really?
Yeah. So, but I was looking at the RSI touch.
Sure?
Happened. Yeah.
Oh, GBP. Okay. OTC. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah. GBP USD.
Okay.
Yeah. And there's like a line here, like a resistance, and it had a just a big, there it is. See that? It's hitting that line right now.
It's hitting a 10-minute white line.
See that? This looks like
you could take the 1 minute on this probably.
Yeah, this looks like a perfect pullback point.
Yeah, if it's going to pull back, it's going to do it right now. So I'll just take it whenever it ends.
4, 3, 2, 1, boom. Oh yeah, it actually jumped below our line when it started.
It's just like we lost so much position. I don't understand this, dude. I don't understand why.
Well, because here's the deal. You enter, okay, yes, we lost position, but we didn't know the position. What we're banking on is that the color, we're actually, our bank is that it's going to drop. There's going to be,
that it's going to end,
that it's going to end a red candle. If it's, so that's, you know, and it
but
either
in this scenario, when you lost all that wick, I would we should probably abort on wicks like that, right? Because that's kind of a weird wick scenario.
Not necessarily. I mean, yeah, we're going to lose this probably, but here's the deal. But here's the deal.
Maybe
when it started dojing out like that.
See, we would have won it because you wait. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
We might win it, dude. I don't know.
It feels like we could. 5. What do we got? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby. Yeah.
Oh,
it's
man.
right on our line. See, I don't know, man. I just think I would have taken it when it got up to that peak. It was like sitting right there on that double peak right there.
Yeah. Okay.
And you waited.
How many? But in hindsight, it's 2020. But here's the deal. If we thought our bank was, we're getting a red candle here. Usually that's what happens. You're waiting for a pullback candle. You want that full minute because look what that did. Last few seconds, it dropped massively. Yes, it didn't win, but that is sometimes those go red like that. And I've also taken positions like, okay, we got a high position. We're going to take it here. And then it's those last few seconds that cost you because your timer closes out 10 seconds before the trade ends, before that candle ends. And then you lose just by a few seconds. Well,
what was that in 1930?
1957.
Yeah, it just.
But here's the deal.
I don't know. It just goes against all my brain power to sit there and watch the candle retract off of.
Okay, and how many times have you taken a so-called good position, only to have it close out even higher than what you took? That happens a lot too.
Well, yeah, I get
a lot.
I mean, that one almost won. That one almost
won. Yeah, it was only just a little bit off, but if
that was a good level, and that was a good touch.
I had taken it, I mean, look how high it went higher than the previous candle at its peak. So I mean, if we would have closed out there, we still could have lost it.
I would have taken it here, and then it would have closed out down here. Yeah, I would have taken it some, but it was up here. It might have been up there.
That's what I'm saying. You took it. If you take it mid candle, okay,
it might have still been up there during that. 10 seconds.
Might have still been up there during when you
because it jolted down like at the last. I do see what you're saying. I will confirm that like it seems like at the beginning and end of the candle, it makes these giant jumps,
makes like massive adjustments. Yes,
like at the beginning and end, it seems to happen.
Also, and I don't worry about the.
I don't know why though. It's why does it do that? Why does
I don't know, but it does. But I also something that made me think, yes, we're probably going to get the pullback on this is because that was a doji candle. Look at it. So even though, yes, that's where I entered was the close of a doji candle,
But that's usually a
usually
turnaround.
means that it's going to turn around. So I don't.
Okay, so you're not worried about a doji like that? I mean, I usually
that
abort
tells me,
dojis.
usually that tells me, no, it's going the direction I want it to. This one just was
Yeah,
weird.
if it goes way up and then goes way back down, it probably means it's going to turn around.
Right.
Usually.
And it just didn't turn around in the timing we want it to. That's binary options. That's how it works. We got to win. That win is banked. And we'll come back tomorrow with what kind of a trade are we looking at?
Oh, man.
On a 2.25 from 1957.
Just put it in now. It's 4403. I'm going to put it right here. 4403.
4403. Got it.
So we are up a win. So, I mean,
Yeah.
we actually are up a trade.
We're not leaving it on the table, just spinning our wheels night after night.
Oh, dude, that was terrible. That was a freaking terrible plan. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, we got one win tonight. Well, actually, yeah, we got one win tonight. That's better because tomorrow we'll get another win, probably,
right?
Or the next day. We'll keep getting wins. I guess in this scenario, no matter how many times we lose, every time we win, we can count it as a win.
We can count it as a win.
That's why it matters.
All the way up through if we happen to lose 5 in a row, which is it would be hard to do that, but it
would be hard to do that the way we're doing it, being careful every night. It'd be real hard to. Yeah, Leandro, man,
it was a good try. Yep.
We had a really good win, though. Yeah, we got.
My wife says that same thing about our marriage.
What's that?
It was a good try.
Okay, yeah, watch the Day Trader Dudes. You can go in here, and you can join the tribe. And we didn't even roll our intro. Maybe that's why we lost that. Well, we actually did. We did. We did win.
You were live, so.
Okay, so here's the thing. We did win, and actually we're up $1. I mean, because when we win our next trade, it's going to pull us up. Okay, so let's say we win.
Actually, at 2.25, which is actually the percentage you would use if you're trading on an 80% chart, you actually get a lot more out of the win.
If we win tomorrow, our first trade will be up by $42. Basically,
yeah.
We'll have a 50% win rate. We'll be up $42.
Right.
Why? Oh, because we'll be up 2 trades because we're only starting with like a $20 trade. So yeah, if we win tomorrow, we'll be up $42, which is actually pretty good. Because remember, we're thinking about this as the week. So
if you get 2 trades a week, that's $80 a week. Doesn't sound like a lot, but dude, I mean, we're just playing.
That's like $350 a month. I mean, that's
good.
We're gonna get more than 2 trades a week though.
Yeah,
Doing this, we'll probably have like 5 or 10. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah,
and that's kind of the good thing about this week, dude. If we get 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 10 wins this week, that's going to be like $200-$300 profit for the week.
Mm-hmm.
As long as we keep it safe. The safety and procedure is the only thing. And I think that that was not a bad. So I mean, I guess tonight we sort of did solidify our strategy and we talked about it, and I mean, oh man. Look at that one. That was awesome. This is another level I was watching, and look, it came right down to it. Almost touched, and then it went. We wouldn't have taken this because it was kind of weird.
Yeah,
but then again, that was a big level that I had marked, and I was waiting for that level. So yeah, it bounced right off that freaking level. Which is actually good. It's a good thing that they're doing what I think they're going to do. Whether or not we would have taken that one, I don't know. Because it didn't quite get down to the black line, and it kind of just retracted really quick. But I don't know if that was an RSI touch. If it would have, I don't know. Yeah, sometimes with this, you just got to trust your gut. You got to kind of watch how it's moving and trust your gut, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, because you're gonna lose, dude. That's what binary options. You're gonna lose. Oh, look at that one. That's freaking. Look at this, brilliant, dude. What did we lose on? Look at this. Look at Euro USD, dude. It got right up to that level that I had marked, and just hit it and just totally retracted. That would have been. This would have been textbook right here. Climbed straight up there, boom. That's actually textbook. Let's see where did I mark that level? Oh yeah, I marked that 10. Yeah, dude, look at this. Look at this in the 1 minute. I marked that level. You looking at this?
Yeah.
I marked that level earlier, and look what happened. It went up there, RSI touched, hit that level, and then just shot straight back down.
Where did I take the trade?
Or
is
we
this
didn't trade on
one?
this one. This is on Euro USD. This is one that I was just watching. So, but this would have been one that we could have won on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes ago.
Yeah.
It went right up to the level. See, I marked these 10-minute. I marked these levels earlier. Look at that. And then we were looking at this. Remember earlier we looked at it down here. Remember we said it'd have to get way up here. You said it would have to get all the way up there, but it went right up to where this double top level.
Yeah.
And then it shot straight, and it did it in like textbook fashion. Look, it climbed straight up there, boom, down. Now I think it's gonna go from here. I could take a giant long trade from here because it's probably gonna go from here and go all the way back up to there.
I think it'd be gutsy.
I'm not trading any. I'm only doing one. We're only doing one single strategy. So that's another thing. Is like if we do that, then we're gonna look for that strategy, because the problem is we could look for I could say, oh yeah, this is gonna go back up, and it's 10 minutes, and you're just guessing at different little things, you know.
Right.
Look at that, dude. Look at that. That's another one of these pullbacks. Look at that. It went right down there. Boom. Hit pullback. So we gotta. Yeah, I don't think if we stick with the same strategy every night that we're gonna lose 5 nights in a row, because there's too many of these that obey. You know, they obey the RSI. They obey big lines. They obey RSIs. I mean, at least they pull back. I'm not saying they obey forever, but they pull back. All right, that's it for the show tonight, guys. Hopefully, Alejandro, good luck, man. Good luck, man. We'll see you. We'll see you later.